We're going to look at solving with equations that have brackets in them today. So if we've got something like this, all right, in this particular case, the easiest thing to do is to multiply out the brackets. So remember, it's share 3 with whatever's inside the bracket. So we've got 3x plus 6 equals 8. Then we're minusing 6, so 3x equals 2, dividing by 3, and we get x equals 2/3. Seem to like 3x, don't I? Let's try something a bit different this time. What if we've got 4x plus 8 equals 32? Now this one we could do a bit differently, because this 4 is being multiplied by all of this. So we could divide by this 4 into this. So if we write divided by 4 here, we're going to get x plus 8 equals 8. So this one we wouldn't have wanted to do that because we would have been ending up dealing with fractions. 3 doesn't go into 8 nicely. 4 does go into 32 nicely. Now when we subtract by 8, we get an interesting answer, which is 0. All right, so we've subtracted 8, we've got nothing left. So we've got two different choices when we're multiplying by when we've got brackets in our picture. Let's have a look at another one. 2 bracket 5x minus 3 equals -7. All right, so first decision is, do I divide by this 2? 2 doesn't go into 7 nicely, it gives me a fraction. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to multiply out the bracket first. So multiplying out the bracket, I get 10x minus 6, 2 times 5, 2 times 3, equals -7. Right, I've still got whole numbers, it's nicer to deal with. Now I'm going to add the 6, so I get 10x equals -7 plus 6 equals -1. All right, so remember that you have to put it on the end, -7 plus 6, not 6 minus 7. All right, in that case it's the same, but when it's minus subtracting, it's not as good. Now we need to get rid of this 10, which we divide by 10. Again, make it a fraction, -1 over 10. Lovely. -1/10 is our answer. Okay?